Hi, my name's Lainey Jackson and this is called At the Train Station. One day, I was sitting on a bench by the train station. I watched as people came walking past me. I watched when the children were playing. I watched when families boarded the train. I wondered what journey they were taking. I smelt the engines of the train, I listened to the sound of the horn, and I saw the smoke and steam, and then they were all gone.